So this is the main chorus line of the poem. Leaf in the wind, I go at the drift of my dreams. Here the poet is saying that he is like a leaf that is flying in the wind here in the air. He is following his own dreams. Now comes the last sentence of the poem. I am the man whose dreams are manifold as the stars. Here the poet is saying that he has a lot of dreams, as there are a lot of stars in the sky. We cannot count the stars in the sky, so no one can count the dreams he is having. He is having a lot of dreams. He follows his own dreams and aims. His dream more murmurous than swarms of bees. The dreams he watch or the desires he is having are more murmurous than the swarms of bees. Here he is using the collective noun swarms, the groups of bees. More smiling than children smile means the dreams he is having are the more innocent. As we all know that there is no beauty in this world can compare the smiles of the children, the beauty of the smiles of the children. But here he is exaggerating and saying that his dreams are more innocent than the children's smile, more sonorous than echoes in the woods. As we know that sonorous means the deep sounds, children, and echoes are the reflecting back of sound waves. Woods here means the jungle. As we know that in jungle the sounds made echoes, but his dreams made louder echoes than the sonorous sounds of echoes in the jungle. The last line, leaf in the wind, I go at the drift of my dreams, means I am born free. The poet is saying that he is born free, and no, and he follows the dreams he is having. He goes with the force of his dreams. So this is no doubt a very beautiful poem. So students, you have to read this poem and watch this video again and again so that you may better understand this video. Okay, watch for the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.